So we're at the car wash. Yup. Mom's doing the thing. And she didn't tell me which one. It's literally 3:52 p.m. on our way home. It looks fantastic in there. It looks like a freaking party. We've never done one of these. I don't know if they're gonna wash it for us. Probably not. Ooh, okay. Something's going on. Sorry. Ooh. Alright. Here we go, Mama. There should be like, is it gonna be like jam music? Ooh. Yeah. Windshield wipers. Oh, this is a seizure warning right here. Well,
stop looking.
It's fine. I'm not photosensitive.
You don't know that.
I've played video games before. This is cool. Which one did you choose?
Platinum.
Platinum, yeah, baby.
Undercarriage and everything.
Ooh.
Just because we hit the bottoming out on the mud.
Yeah. Went through a muddy road today. You can see it in the mirror. Oh, she coming back round. Oh. You're such a weenie. Went through a muddy road today, guys. I went through a muddy road today, guys, because we had to take a detour. It's just a little mud. Bro. I don't even know why I'm looking at this. I have epilepsy. I mean, I'm not really photosensitive.
I can't hear what that thing is saying.
I sort of heard it. Look at that, guys. That's pretty cool. Should I roll my window down?
No.
Oh, it's coming back around. Oh, look at that. The car wash, baby. Ooh, what is that? Ooh. Ooh. Here's me enjoying everything. Meanwhile, you're just sitting there texting. Kids these days, am I right, guys? Ooh. Oh, wait, here it comes. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Oh my gosh, what's it doing? All right. At this point, I'm very intrigued. Ooh, what's it doing? I think this is like the trifoam part or something. I'm not sure. Like, bro, we're country people. We hand wash our cars. We don't do friggin' car washes. Oh, it's red. Pink. Oh, baby, this is interesting. Oh, look at the back. Did you see that?
No, man.
It was like blood red. You're not intrigued.
This is why you have no storage on your phone.
Oh, it moves. I'm so simple-minded. Ooh, did y'all see that? Ooh, yes, your car's gonna be so shiny. And guys, it's been raining today. Oh, it's green. Ooh, that looks so freaking cool. Oh, look at that.
Tell you what, I have flash vertigo.
Ooh.
It's not very pretty for me.
Oh, cover your eyes.
Oh, because that doesn't help me at all.
Oh, bro. I mean, well, I have epilepsy, and and this, I don't know if this, I mean, I'm fine so far. I hope I didn't jinx it. Oh, it just flashed. Okay. We're on the spot free. Okay, y'all see that? Spot free. Oh. Yeah, she coming. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, we are done, y'all. Wait. Wait, it's gotta blow us off, Mom. Yeah. Bye-bye. Legit, that was awesome.
No, we can't see.
Meanwhile, they're self-servicing back there. That was cool. Yeah, what'd you think of that?
Super.
Yeah. Awesome.
Now I can't see.
I mean, I can, kind of. Would you do that again?
Maybe.
Awesome.